How to use booking.com app tutorial. Now, if you use booking.com basically, well, first of all, to give you a short answer, booking.com is just an app or a service that will help you, especially if you're traveling, to book properties and places for you to stay and spend the day or night with your friends, family, or yourself. Now, once you launch a booking.com app, assuming you have already went ahead and then created your account, this is the type of interface you will see. At the top, we can choose what we want to book. We want to book stays, or we want to rent a car, or we want a taxi, or we want other options as such. Based on what it is that we want, you can simply select stays. Now, first of all, you must enter your destination as to where is it that you wish to go ahead and then basically find your place to stay. You'll find the nearest according with the ratings, the price. You will see every details right here. Now you have to simply go ahead and select that certain property. If you like that property and you want to select the amount of room, the people, and you want to confirm your booking. After that, tap on the select rooms option and make sure you choose a good place according to the rating. Here you can see a couple of options, price for certain adults or so on. Then you can tap on the reserve button to select your reserve, and then later you can go to the property and you can pay for it after you've reserved it. If you come to the saved option, you will see your favorite places that you reserved and saved. If you come to bookings, you will see the current bookings which you've already made. And if you come to your account, here you'll just find a generic settings like your wallet, payment methods, account settings, personal details like email, phone number, and all those other details. And if you want to contact customer support in case of any trouble, you can tap on this link to contact customer support of booking.com. So these are the ways on how you can use booking.com app even if you're a beginner. I hope I have communicated well and explained to you the basic steps. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.